Namaskar. So we are here at JP Residency Manor, Mussoorie. Myself, Tanuj Nayyar. I am the executive chef of the hotel. And today I'll teach you a very exciting recipe which we will make. So we will be making moong dal falafel wrap with hummus. So as we all have heard what falafel is made of, falafel originally is made of chickpeas. Then some onions goes into it, five spice powder, coriander, cumin, sesame paste, and all these things goes into it. So it's a Lebanese dish basically. So we will just make a healthy wrap out of it today. So let's start. So here I have some moong dal with me, which we have soaked it overnight. You have to soak this green moong dal for almost 10 to 12 hours. So we'll add moong dal, then we'll add garlic into it. Then I have some chopped onions with me. I have chopped onions. Then I have coriander powder with me, a little bit of coriander powder. Then we have 5 spice powder with me. We'll add 5 spice powder. 5 spice powder I'll separately tell you the recipe. So 5 spice powder again has a lot of ingredients which like cinnamon, nutmeg, which again helps to improve your immunity, which is very important these days. Then we will have picked up some fresh parsley from our garden here, and then we'll add some parsley. We'll mix everything together. So now, like I have done this in the mixie, and it's coarsely grind. As you can see, it is not very fine. It is coarsely grinded mixture. And now I will tell you how to make the hummus. For hummus, we will be needing chickpeas. The only thing we have to keep in the mind is that chickpeas has to be a little bit overcooked because it has to be grinded into the fine paste. And with chickpeas, again we will take everything in a mixer. Chickpeas, salt, and then you will add some tahina paste into it, some olive oil, some lemon juice, and then you will blend it in the grinder. A little bit of garlic as well. And once you blend everything, then I have this hummus is ready with me. So it comes like this, very smooth in the texture. So now we will make the falafels and then we will wrap it in the wrap. So now that we have made the falafel small rounds, and then now we'll take a pan, just heat the oil, and then we will just fry these falafels which we will use for the wrap. You have to be careful, in case when you are making the mixture, and if you see that it is not binding, so you can use little bit of corn flour just to be on the safer side, though it doesn't need, but in case you feel that it is breaking, so little bit of corn flour will help you to bind it together. Doesn't take too long to cook because the lentils are already soaked, so maybe just 2-3 minutes. So now we'll start with the wraps. For the wrap, first we will make a little bit of salad which will be used for the stuffing. So for the salad, we'll take some onions which we have with us, julienne of green capsicum, we'll take red cabbage, we will take julienne of tomatoes, and then we'll take a little of cucumber which I have with me. Now we'll add little bit of olive oil in this, little bit of lemon juice in it, salt, and then we'll put freshly cracked pepper. Now we'll take these are the tortilla sheets which I have. This you will get ready-made in the market. So now we'll just heat it up a little bit. So we have just heated up a little bit, then hummus as a spread. And then just a little bit of lemon juice on top. And then I have fresh mustard cress with me. So I'll just put a little bit of mustard cress here, which is again very healthy. So now we'll heat the pan, and we have to just grill it a little bit. We'll put some olive oil inside, and these are the wraps which we have made, and we'll just grill it. That's it. Nice, crisp. and healthy moong dal falafel wraps. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Please do try, and I would request you to like and share this recipe. Thank you very much. Thank you.